Okay, this tutorial is for how to create bullet points. You may find that you would prefer to use a bulleted list at some point in your write up rather than using full on paragraph form. If a bulleted list is appropriate, you should also ask yourself, would a table be more appropriate? And sometimes the answer will be yes, and sometimes it will be no. Um, so I am going to pretend that I need to put a bulleted list right here. Let's say right after my sentence with the mighty Mekong River at our backs, fishing is a way of life. What if I had something like there are several main species native to the area that we fish? And then I would put a colon, and then I'm going to do a list. And since this one is happening in the middle of my paragraph, I'm going to, I had to hit enter to get that down there. And then now I'm going to hit enter again and put in this bullet list. So you'll see my cursor right here is how I did that. Let me just do that right here. Bulleted list. If you click this drop down number, you can see that you can choose different styles. You're not really doing an outline though. These are more for if you're outlining and you need like the main and then sub bullets under there. I wouldn't do that. I'd just go with regular. If you want that, like that bullet looks a little bit too far to the left. I think I'd like to move it over a bit. So I can do this to get it moved over. And then I could say, I don't know, like giant catfish. And then I can move on to the next one. I did some research on this, but I forget exactly what they all are. But there was some sort of like, you want to use the actual titles and don't make this stuff up. Make sure you've researched that these things are true to your area. But there is this like massive, this is not the technical term, freshwater stingray native to the area that's edible that people eat, right? And then I would want to go on. I would not recommend using a bulleted list if you have fewer than 3 items. If you only have 2, I don't think it's very relevant. But that's how you make a bulleted list, and you could do it right in the middle of your paragraph, or you could do it at the end. The main thing is you just have to hit this. If you would rather do a numbered list, that button is right there. Okay, go forth and prosper.